Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we got a very crazy job. It's absolutely disgusting on the inside of this house, so let's check it out. All right, so when you walk in, first thing you notice, there's no floor here. It smells absolutely terrible in here. We got face mask. It looks like it's just a bunch of mold and old nasty stuff. So what we're gonna do is get out as much as we can of this big furniture. Gotta watch where we're walking because there's holes all in this floor. And back here is an office area. We're not taking much in there. I really can't even walk on this floor. This is crazy. Just gotta try to walk on the joists. So we're just gonna try to move quickly and get this stuff out of here. And back here, I think we're gonna take these mattresses. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get going and we're gonna move fast to get out of here. This is what dreams are made out of here. I'm really surprised somebody was even living here. God, this is probably the most disgusting mattress I've ever dealt with. Check that out, just covered in mold. Ugh, oh my God. Ugh. This thing is gnarly, guys. Ugh. If somebody slept on this, I feel bad. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's under this? Old Christmas gift. 'Tis the season. I'm really just trying to move stuff out as fast as possible. Over here, the floor is completely caved in. In this case, I'm not worried too much about animals or bugs because I don't think they'd even want to live in these conditions. Let's just put this to the side. Almost just fell on the floor. Boat launch right over there, so it's a nice area. Just this house has seen better days. And all these RVs are connected to little houses, which is funny. You can kind of see in the distance. Oh, almost just broke my ankle. It's hilly here. So another thing to remember, he sent me some pictures, but you never know how it's gonna go until you get to the job. This job was 40 minutes away, so we're already here, so we're gonna do it, but it's absolutely disgusting. That's why I really tried to throw stuff outside as quick as possible. Spend as least amount of time as possible inside there. We'll just fill in this little hole and then we'll be out of here. All right, guys, as you can tell, I'm sweating. We've been here like an hour now, got everything loaded up. And as you can see, we didn't really do a broom sweep in there because the rest of the house still needs to be gone through. I don't know if he's gonna have us come back for another load or not, but it was absolutely disgusting. We wore masks the whole time, but you could start to feel the mold really getting to you. But overall, we worked an hour. We made about $5.50 off this job. It was absolutely disgusting. So now we got to go home and take showers before our next job. But overall, pretty simple. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. We'll see you guys next time.